Welcome to Womanship. My name is Poonam Kaur and thank you so much for tuning in. Today we are going to see how I did my window makeup, but before that let's take a look on its before condition. This is how the window looked like before, so boring, lifeless and dirty. And this is the new look of the window, and I am going to take you through all the items that I have used to beautify the window. So let's begin. This is not a sticker, this is just a simple gift wrapper that I bought from Big Bazaar for 40 rupees. The reason why I picked it up was because of the cute, intricate mandala art, and the color combination is quite complementing the curtains as well as the wall. These hangings, I made it from nylon thread, stuck mirrors on it with fabric glue which I bought from a local stationery shop. This cute little elephant I bought from MG Road for 40 rupees a pair, so it was quite a deal. And see how cutely these things are hanging in the window. I have kept few plants in the window because it gets quite breezy here, and this pot I bought from a mall for 250 rupees along with the pot as well as the plant, so it was again quite a deal, and it's growing quite well here because it's quite breezy in the window. The white bottle I got it from a Bhangarwala because I like the texture of it for 8 rupees, and I've kept a money plant in it and it's growing quite well. Stuck heart-shaped stickers on it, and I've kept few colorful pebbles around it, and see how catchy it is. This bottle I have reused, rather a Body Shop perfume bottle. Sincerely, I did not feel like throwing it away because of the cylindrical shape. So there is another baby money plant along with some colorful stones. I DIY'd this bookshelf from an old box and I have written Padna Likhna Seekho on it. Currently, I'm reading Paulo Coelho's Brida, another book, and of course my Kindle. Another baby money plant in another Body Shop perfume bottle. So this is the final look of the window, and if I compare it with the before state, I am in a happy place right now. This fish, by the way, I made it from waste cloth, and soon I will come up with a video for you. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you get inspired to decorate the corners of your house. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel and I will see you soon.